Hello?
Hi, this is Tom Greco from the Frito-Lay Corporation.
From
I'm
what?
calling on behalf of the Frito-Lay Corporation. I'm calling on behalf of the recent incident involving hitting one of our trucks outside of CVS.
Oh, okay. So I apologize for that. Seriously.
Oh no, we're not mad. We're just calling on just reporting $4,000 in damages. No, sorry. Oh, that was a typo. I apologize. There was $400,000 in damage done, sir.
Sorry, what?
So I don't know what you intend to do about this, but this is $400,000 of product that we now can't transport. So if you would like to tell me what you intend to do with this information.
I don't know. What should I do? I'm really sorry.
Well,
Honestly, I think like I was close to the truck. I didn't mean for that to happen at all. Anything.
well, how old are you, son?
Sorry, what?
How old are you?
Hello?
Pardon me? Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Well, my lawyers will be in contact with you over getting this debt you have towards us paid. There are possible lawsuits we'll be looking at here.
Wait, what?
I'm just the messenger, sir. The company is looking at high charges here. This isn't a light matter. I hope you understand that. It's pay the debt, or unfortunately you'll be facing some prison time.
Okay, but wait, so someone's going to keep in contact with me?
Yes, sir. Yes. We will contact you.
Okay, but I got to go now.
Okay. Well, have a good
Bye.
day, son. You deserve it.
Thank you.
All right. Don't forget the $400,000. Bye.
All right. Bye.